Hey guys, Jen here from Raven Loot and Paper 2, and I have been influenced by so many of you who were showing off your hauls from officesupply.com, and I went ahead and made my own haul here and purchased so many things. For everything you see here, there's like 15 items. I paid like $54 and some odd change, and because it was over $50, free shipping. Yeah. I don't quite have the prices on everything, but they were really great deals. I think it was less than $3 for these American Crafts dies. Ephemera was like less than $2. I mean, really, really great deals. So I guess let's just get into everything I got in case you guys are interested. I'll just leave a link down below to officesupply.com. Of course, this isn't sponsored or anything. This is all stuff I bought with my own money. It was actually some birthday money I had left over from my mother-in-law. So thank you, Miss Nancy, for your contribute to my craft supplies. So the first thing here are these Heidi Swap stickers. They are supposed to go with the Sun Chaser collection, and they have cute, I'm sorry, there's a lot of glare from the packaging, but they have cute little definitions of like summer, chill, happy, sunshine, fun, different things like that. I have a few different pieces from the Sail Away collection, and I thought that this would go with that pretty well. Also, I am fixing to participate in a Valentine's Day swap hosted by Beck and Bethany. So I went ahead and purchased the Cutie Pie collection from American Crafts. I got the ephemera, 75 piece ephemeras. And I really, really love to take all these different kinds of pieces and kind of mix them together. But I wanted to use as much of the collection as I could, so I grabbed everything they had. So I got the two different sets of ephemera. So I like to have doubles, and then I purchased the dies here. There are 6 dies. There is the heart with the arrow through its stamp, I love you, a heart envelope, the X and the O, another heart, and the heart ticket dies. We have the Cutie Pie, and this is a 6x8 paper pad, and I think I only gave like $7 for this. Hold on one second here. Oh, my scissors are disgusting. That's gross. Hold on, let me see it. Where is... How do I have a room full of stuff and I can't find what I'm looking for? Oh, there we go. Alright. Here is my razor blade. And the first page is just some cherries. Then we have all the cute little treats. A beautiful rainbow stripe, some polka dots, some hearts and music notes, some cut up hearts here. The beautiful little stamp page. Love. All of the, sorry, that one felt weird. All of the little sweetheart candies. Some more cut up hearts. This gorgeous red gingham. This blue heart. These heart butterflies. Some roses. This gorgeous flower. This cute little plaid. I love these little like emotional heart faces, and then they repeat again. And that is the 8x6 paper pad that I got. I have some little guys falling off the side here. I got some brads, and these are for Halloween. They're shaped like little ghosts. Are these not the cutest little guys? They had lots of other ones, but for whatever reason, I love Halloween, so I don't need to buy Halloween, but I did, so there's some ghosts. Forever Fields, right before Joann's went out, I grabbed a bunch of the Maggie Holmes Forever Fields, and so I just grabbed a few more pieces, just one more of kind of everything I could find. We have some of the ephemera, And then this was the 78 piece ephemera. This was the 48 piece ephemera. And then what was this guy? This was the paper pack, 200 pieces. And these are just the the thinner, the lightweight ephemera and washi stickers. Let's see. Trying not to let things fall over here. I also got the foam stickers, since they did away with chipboard. So I got one of these guys so that I could use this. I don't know. I was thinking about participating in Lisa's My Favorite Things swap again. And I was thinking maybe I might use a Maggie Holmes because I love Maggie Holmes. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Then I saw this collection by Pebbles. And what was this one called? This one is called Sunny Blooms. And I thought this would be cute for springtime. I got the journaling ephemera. There were 70 pieces of it. And I got the icon ephemera. There were 70 pieces of it. And then it also got the cute little 4-piece die set here. And it is a strawberry basket. The strawberry with the leaves and the little like garden marker. And they're really good size. They're really cute. And then I also got the 6x8 pad of it. Let's see. What in the world am I doing here? And so this has the gold foil accents. We have the stripe here. This green with the like daisy flowers. The cute little bunnies and bees with the flowers. This like pink on pink polka dot. Some cut aparts. And they say things like life is better in the garden, hello sunshine, daffodils, let's play in the puddles. Some more little daisy flowers on blue. A cute plaid. A polka dot. And then these yellow background with the white flowers on top. This pink checkerboard. And then this like flower garden with little gold accents for the centers. We have a pink stripe, a rainbow with gold accents, a red and pink polka dot, and some strawberries and sunflowers with gold foil accents as well. Some strawberries, and then the tag cut aparts like Spring Delight, Big Smile, Your Peach, Bloom and Grow, and then a graph paper, and we start all over again. And like I said, I just thought this one would be really cute for like spring crafts and stuff, so that's why I picked that one up. And then also I saw this little guy and since we just got done doing fall, I thought he was really cute, this little squirrel, and it has all these different little nuts on it. And then there's the sleepy squirrel, and it says sleepyhead, nuts about you, make a wish, allergic to mornings, yawn, what is this, scatter kindness, yep, I got me some nuts, and if life gives you nuts, be a nutcracker, and some little dandelion stamps as well. I'm trying to get better with stamps and figure out how to use them a little more, I don't know, to incorporate them more in my crafting. And when I saw this guy, I was like, oh yeah, definitely, he's adorable. So I went ahead and grabbed this guy. Very, very cute. And this is by Tracy Hay, Hampton Art. And then also thinking ahead, Beck normally hosts a 4th of July swap, Americana type thing. And so I wanted to go ahead and be prepared this year because last year I couldn't find anything really that I liked. So I saw that the American Crafts Flags and Frills was on there, and I got the ephemera pack that they had, which was 68 pieces. And then I got the die set here. There are 6 of these dies. The flag, USA, a little like bunting piece and blessed, and then a little stackable flag type deal. So you can Okay, so the flag, you like a paper piece together is what it is. So, and like I said, all these dies were like $3 or less. So it was a really great deal. And then this is the 12 by 12, 24 sheets double-sided of the flags and frills. First we have a cut apart with a polka dot, this beautiful denim colored like flower. This like black, not black, I'm sorry, blue pinwheel on blue. Then there are the patriotic stars, a red and white and blue stripe, the patriotic plaid, this beautiful red and white flower, the star stripe, the red on red pinwheel, this flower with the cute little pink accents, a pink graph-like paper, the fireworks, the gingham, the red gingham, the different variations of flags, the blue on blue stars, the red and white stripe, the primitive star on the blue, and then the different like strips here. Happy Independence Day, God Bless America, the blue gingham, another patriotic floral, the red with the white flower, the tiny little flags, the blue on blue polka dot, and some cut aparts, and we start all over. So I thought that was fantastic. And like I said, I got everything for under 55 bucks. And you guys definitely found a gem there with OfficeSupply.com. So if anyone is interested, like I said, I will leave a link down below to OfficeSupply.com. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I just found all these great deals, and I thought you guys might want to check them out as well. Thanks for taking a look, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.